Hello and welcome to the Ansible Certification course. My name is Mumshad Manambat and I will be your instructor for this course. This course helps you gain a good understanding of automating with Ansible, as well as prepares you for the Ansible Certification hands-on exam. So about me, I'm a DevOps trainer at KodeKloud.com, an interactive hands-on online learning platform. I've been working in the industry as a consultant for over 13 years, and have helped hundreds of thousands of students learn technology in a fun and interactive way. In this course, you will learn Ansible through a series of lectures that use animation and illustrations to simplify complex concepts. We have demos that will show you how to install and get started with Ansible. And most importantly, we have hands-on labs that you can access right in your browser. You will work on a real-world project of deploying the KodeKloud e-commerce application and learn how to follow best practices in developing Ansible playbooks and roles to automate application deployments in your environment. As with all of our other courses on our platform, this course comes with hands-on labs that are one of its kind. You don't have to set up your own labs. As part of this course, we provide real labs that you can access right in your browser. The labs give you instant access to a terminal to an Ansible host with a set of nodes for you to manage and an accompanying quiz portal. The quiz portal gives you a set of tasks to complete. Each quiz starts with a set of simple questions, such as exploring the environment and gathering information, or you might be asked to perform an action, such as to prepare and run Ansible commands or develop and execute an Ansible playbook. The quiz portal then validates your work and gives you feedback instantly. It tells you exactly where you went wrong and helps you fix your problem. So how does it do that? The validation process first validates the syntax of your playbooks, then prepares a test environment to test your playbook against, then applies the playbook, and then verifies if the requested tasks have been completed successfully. And all of that happens in less than a minute. Every lecture in this course is accompanied by such challenging interactive lab exercises that make this course the only true learn by doing course of its kind. Towards the end of the course, we have a few mock exams that gives you a close to real exam experience where you will be racing against time and helps you test your skills to see if you are ready for it. So, how do you get started with this course? This is a self-paced online video-based course that you can start anytime, anywhere, and go through as many times as you want. The course will be hosted on KodeKloud so that we can provide you with better hands-on labs. That way you don't have to set up your own infrastructure. Let's now look at the objectives of this course. We have aligned the contents of this course to match the objectives of the Ansible Certification exam. But we have a lot of additional lectures that cover the prerequisites as well. In this course, we first go through the core concepts of Ansible, such as inventory, playbooks, module, variables, and facts. We then go through a process of installing and configuring Ansible control node, followed by configuring the managed nodes. We understand how to run ad hoc commands and how to create a simple shell script with the Ansible command. We develop a lot of playbooks using a lot of different modules throughout this course. We learn about dynamic inventories. We learn about variables and facts. We learn how to create roles from scratch, as well as how to reuse existing ones. We learn how to securely store secret data using Ansible Vault. And we learn how to effectively navigate through the Ansible documentation pages to find the right information. We learn how to create templates with Jinja 2. YAML and Jinja 2 is where a lot of beginners struggle with Ansible. We have a lot of coding exercises that take you all the way from the absolute basics of YAML and Jinja 2 and help you build confidence in it. You learn from the absolute basics of Jinja 2 all the way to creating configuration templates using them. And of course, all of these topics that I just mentioned are followed by challenging lab exercises. If at any time during this course you come across an issue, we have a Slack channel where we hang out, to which you will get exclusive access to. This is where you can study along with others as a group and get support on any issues you have while going through our course. Well, that's it for now. Enroll today, and I will see you in class.